Hi, in this video I'm going to show you a technique on how to solve a system of equations when the system is given like a multiple choice question. So of course it's different than when you solve the system normally by substitution, elimination by addition, or by matrix, or the other techniques. But here we have multiple choice, so already the answers are given. So in this case, instead of solving the system normally and finding x and y, which will take you a lot of time, so the best way is just to plug the numbers in the equation, like substitution, and check if they satisfy, if the coordinates of the points given are satisfying the equations. In this case, then this would be the solution. Of course, here like D is the correct answer, but we are not gonna plug it directly. But like also one more technique is when you have multiple choice question, like you have the answers A, B, C, and D. So the best choice or the best way to start by choice C first, and then you can go for D second, and then B third, and then A fourth. Or you can say C first, B second, D third. Why? Because usually in multiple choice questions, they don't, or they probably do not give the first choice as the correct answer, because they know that if you follow this substitution, the substitution method, you're going to get the right answer directly. So it's better start C, D, B, then A, or C, B, D, then A. So let's try by plugging in C in the system. So we have 3 and 4, so we plug 3 for x and 4 for y, and then we check. So if we say, let's say 5 into 3 plus 4 times y, which is 4, which is equal to 10. We check 5 times 3, 15, plus 4 times 4, 16, equals to 10. And no need to continue because already this is not equal to this. 15 and 16 is 31. So just skip it and go for the other choice. So let's go for D, 6 minus 4. So we plug 6 and minus 4, 6 minus 5 instead of x and y. So if we say 5 into 6 plus 4 into y, which is minus 5, is going to equal to 10. So 5 times 6, 30. Plus 4 times minus 5, which is minus 20, which is equal to 10. 30 minus 20 is equal to 10, which is correct. 10 equals to 10, but this is not confirmed yet. Why? Because it satisfied the first equation. What about the second equation? So we have also to try the second equation. So trying the second equation, we can get second equation. We put 6 minus 5 in the second one, so we have minus 3 into 6 minus 5 into minus 5 is equal to 7. We are checking. Minus 3 times 6 minus 18, and minus 5 times minus 5 is plus 25 equals to 7. So 25 minus 18 is equal to 7. 7 equal to 7 is correct. So the coordinates of the point D, which is 6 minus 5, satisfying both equations. So in this case, D would be the correct answer. Okay, here another example about solving system of equations by substitution. Here it's by substitution, but we want to plug in the substitute the coordinates of the points to check which one satisfies the system. So in this question, just also to remind you that as we mentioned, we start by C, and then we go for D, and then we go for B, and then we go for A. So we start 1 by C, and then we substitute the other one if C is not correct, and then we move for B, choice B, and then we move for choice A. So in this system, like it's clearly showing that one of the variable is given in terms of the other. So y is equal to 3x minus 2. So we can follow the substitution method, but as I mentioned, that it's better to do it by substituting the coordinates, like plugging the coordinates in the system and checking if it satisfies the system. So if we start by C, which is 0 minus 4. So replace 0 and minus 4 in the first equation. So we say 2 into 0 plus 3 into minus 4 is equal to 5. 2 times 0, 0. 3 times minus 4 is minus 12 is equal to 5. That's not true. So this point is not satisfying the system. So we go for D, 1, 1. So if we replace 2 times 1, 2 times 1 plus 3 times 1 also is equal to 5. So 2 plus 3 equal to 5. That's correct. We replace it in the second one. 1 equals to 3 times 1 minus 2. So 3 minus 2, which is 1. So 1 is equal to 1. That's also correct. So this point, its coordinates satisfying equation number 1 and equation number 2. And this is, so which means that this is the solution of the system.